Okay guys, welcome back on my very messy desk. Today, wow, so I'll show I made, don't know when, a couple of weeks ago, these postcards using my Blue Butterflies digital papers. Is my #1 top seller digital papers on my website. I think you guys love these bluebirds and love everything that comes with it. So I've made a journal, which there is also a workshop on my website, but don't worry about that. On Wednesday, we will do a completely flip through, because this journal today is the last project and then it's going to go on sale. Okay, so you guys will be able to purchase this bad boy. It's got 2 big signature, and it's, look how that, it's full of gorgeousness. Each page is being highly decorated. There are some ephemera. Oh, got loads. Here I got what's left over for some pages, this just to show you, because I want to show you what you get with your money. So you get envelopes and side pockets, secretarial pockets, more side pockets, tags, and then you get the background. You've got quite a lot of background. And what else is in there? There are some gift box. So this is a pillow box, some accessories there, some more tags, background. Oh, that's the base that I have used for the envelopes. Look at that. So that's that. And then yeah, I think that's it. And then it goes goes all around, and it's not everything is printed, but I had this on my plastic wallet. So yeah, so because we made these 2, I made 4. What did I do with the other 2? So I think 1 is in a pocket. Yeah, so I made this pocket here with one of the papers. So 1 is sliding there, so just like that. And then the second postcard, what did I do with it? I'm sure it's on the corner. Oh god, sorry guys, what did I do with it? I need to show you. I want to, oh, that's it. So one of the corner pocket tag from the kit, and I'll just pop it in there. So for those 2, I thought let's do a last project showcasing these papers and this journal. We're gonna make some hidden paper clips. So when you make some hidden paper clips, actually making hidden paper clips is the easiest things on the planet. So what we need some cardstock. Okay, so I've got here some scraps. This actually was a paper, a card, I believe. So what you simply do, let me just measure. Yeah, so we just going to fold a piece of cardstock. I recommend cardstock because the stronger your base, the strongest your paper clip is going to be. Okay, so yeah, I think that should be enough, and I'm gonna chop them off. So let me just cut a little bit off. You can make this in bunch, in bulk. So just a little bit more. Don't worry about cutting straight because you won't see it. This layer you won't see it. You will see the outline paper. So we need 2 paper clips because we're gonna make 2. No matter what colors, because you won't see them. So I'm just gonna use red, and in fact I'm just gonna use yellow because it's a color that I don't tend to use a lot. So this was full of paper clips. So that shows you how many paper clips project I have done on my channel. So okay, so we position them roughly. So if you think on this rectangle it's gonna come up 2, so we're gonna make 2 out of those. So yeah, roughly in the middle. Okay, So fold it in half, put the paper clip, another piece of cardstock, and then we're going to glue what we just did on top of that. Okay, so we're going to put loads of glue. Don't be frugal here, you need to put loads of glue. Okay, so don't be tight, don't be stingy with your glue, because it's got to adhere. Okay, otherwise it won't work. So I put loads of glue. Okay, that's enough. And then I position it there. Now when you cover it, give it a little bit of space there on the top, because you see you got the little, I think it's a couple of millimeters from the actual paper clip, because otherwise it won't close. Okay, so I'll roughly leave it like that, put that on top, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so just gonna, with my hands, just gonna press it down a little bit for a few seconds, and then we apply another layer of glue there. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna leave it resting for a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut the excess. Okay, so I'm going to chop about there. I'm just gonna do it with my trimmer, so it's quick and easy. Now there's 4 layers, so I wasn't expecting a deep cut, but I actually managed to do it. And then what we're going to do, we're also going to cut this in half. Now you can kind of see through where the paper clip is, so use that as a guide to cut it in half. I mean, that's 4 layers, so well done, trim. So it's nearly cut it all. Okay, so let me put my trimmer away. So, and that's done. So that's the base of your paper clip. Okay, so for example, if I get a piece of cardstock, this is your paper clip. Okay, so as you can see, it's hidden because you don't see it. You're just seeing this lovely blue cardstock. Now let's decorate it. So I've got here loads of background. I think I'm going to go with this page and this page. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna kind of roughly measure that, and I'm gonna cover front and back, and also I'm going to use some of these this is from the kit, some butterflies, some ephemera there. There is also a round decoration. There are some tabs. So this is all in the kit. So I'm just going to play. What I was thinking to do is just do like a little layer of these 2 butterflies. You know me and my butterflies, so I'm obsessed. And I thought we use some of this die cut that I had from another project, and then we're just going to put like that and maybe some gems on top. Okay, so in fact I might just do some layers like that. I was thinking to use this one as a little tab decoration. I think I'm going to, yeah, because I think it's quite cute. Yes, right, let me put it all together. You don't really need to see me, guys, doing this, because this is completely like up to you. How you decorate is completely up to your style. Okay, and I think I'm going to use some of these thread just to give you some ideas. Okay guys, I've done, so I made 1. So this is what I've done. I left a little frame when I glued the paper onto the paperclip base, and I just did a little layer of simply 2 die cut butterflies. This is from the kit, and this is just the dies I have, and I just put some gems on top. I don't know if you can see them, and I put 1 on the middle of the butterfly, and then 2 there and 1 there. I think the little tap on top is cute, and that's the back. So of course the back I left it plain, but you can decorate both parts. Okay, so both sides. and this is the second. So I put some silver metallic ribbon, the die cut, and on the heart, I don't know if you can see it, but I put some foam pad there just to elevate it, because I like different layers. So again, this is the front and this is the back. So when we're gonna put the two postcards, so let me find a relatively plain page. So this will go there. Oopsie. That's it. So you just push the paper clip down, and that will hold your postcard or whatever you put into your page. So that's the front and that's the back. Okay, so you, as I said, you can decorate it, but yeah, it's completely up to you. So one goes there, and then the second one, where should we put? Yeah, here, another blank page, and we simply slide it in, and there you go. Okay, so that will be the front and that will be the back. They don't have to be square. You can do circle, you can do any different shapes, any different design, use any papers. Possibilities are endless. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy. All the links, everything that I mentioned will be listed down below, and I will see you on Wednesday, where we're going to do a completely flip through before this journal will go on sale. And then of course it's first come first served, as all my journals that I have sold in the past. Okay, so I'll leave at the end of the video now 2 videos when I made one, when I made a postcard, when we made another project using these papers. So it's kind of like part of the same kit. And as I said earlier, there is a workshop on my channel, on my website, and you can also buy the paper. So everything will be listed down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day. Thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And I will see you on Wednesday. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.